everyone, this is Andrea and I finally got my order from Flannels. This is a Balenciaga Hourglass box. So let's just have a look and look at that. This is the box and let's see. That's the dust bag right there. That's the care card right there and that's the dust bag with the Balenciaga logo and in 3, 2, 1, ready? Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. Look at that. It's got a BB Hourglass logo in gold age hardware and I've got in a size 75. There you are, you guys. So pretty, love it. And yeah, amazing, I love it. This is just actually a treat from an achievement. It's actually overdue. So there you are. I'm really glad it's got a box. There you are, you guys. Thank you all guys for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. There you are, you guys. Thank you for watching and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.